Hey guys, my name is Adiel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm an online entrepreneur as well as a digital marketing agency owner. So today what I wanted to do was I wanted to show you guys a way to make passive income, right? It has to do with Forex markets. For those of you who's not familiar with Forex markets, it's where you trade currency pairs like dollar to the yen or euro to pound, etc. Right? But with this particular platform that I'm going to show you, it will require no experience from you. It will require no knowledge from you. It will actually allow you to create passive income on automation, which means there will be something or artificial bots that will be trading on your behalf. That is basically custom designed software, as well as professional traders that will be trading on your behalf. What's also cool about it is that while you are generating passive income on the side, you can actually learn how to trade as well. So which means the platform has two functionalities, which means that on the one hand you will get your automated trading done for you. On the other hand, you can actually learn how to trade yourself, so you can acquire the skill, right? So I'm going to take you over to my laptop to show you what I'm referring to and also show you some of my results. But I just want to make a quick disclaimer that the results that you see in the video, it's not typical. So that means that the results for each and every person will vary depending on obviously how much effort you put in, how much time you put in to actually grow in this particular thing. But without further ado, I'm going to take you over to my laptop and we can take it from there. Speak to you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is what the platform looks like that I wanted to show you. So as mentioned before, quick disclaimer that the results that you see is not typical and it won't be the same for each and everyone. However, I'm going to take you through the platform. I'm going to show you what the dashboard looks like, what the auto trading looks like, and also what the academy section looks like, right? So just before we dive into that part of it, right? So let me just quickly explain to you. So on the platform, right, there'll be different packages available, starting from $300 all the way to $500, $1,000, and all the way up. Basically, there's different price plans for different people, right? So I'm going to make an example of the $500 package, what that entails, what it means, what you'll get, etc. Right? So without further ado, let me quickly just dive in and show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is what the dashboard looks like, right? So when you log in, this is what it will look like, what you'll see. So all notifications and everything is displayed here. You can see what is currently being traded, what the euro, the yen, what it's going for currently, right? On here you can also see that they host monthly competitions and so forth. So this is also something that you could take part of or benefit from, right? In which you can win cash prizes, etc. But without further ado, let me take you down to the dashboard. So over here you can see this is the account balance. This is what the overall account looks like. This account is still fairly new. It's still new, so it's a couple of weeks old. This one particularly is on the $500 package. So I'm going to give you an example, right? So when it comes to the $500 package, what happens is you're not paying $500 to get access to the platform. What happens is you pay $500, $350 is used and traded on your behalf, which means that goes into order trading for you, where the AI technology as well as professional traders trade on your behalf, and daily profits will be shared with you once you log in, so you can actually see how they trade on a regular basis, on a daily basis, as well as what your weekly payments are like, right? So the remaining balance of $150, that is for your e-learning portion of the platform. So which means that this is the part where you can actually learn how to do forex trading on your own pace, at your own time, whether it is that you want to learn the skill itself or just allow the system to trade for you. That's entirely up to you. But I'll be showing you both so that you can make a decision. But remember, regardless of what it is that you choose to do, you still get the passive part of it. So you'll always be making money with it regardless, right? So I'm quickly gonna take you over. So as mentioned, this is what the balance is like. Over here, this is the ranking. So as you start out your journey, you'll get ranking points, etc. So over time it grows as your account grows. This over here, this is the bull capital. Now the bull capital is generated when someone, say as an example, someone has stumbled upon this opportunity and you've perhaps told them about it, etc. And they sign up. You then also get fast start bonuses as well as Unilever bonuses, which is where whatever's traded for them, you also get a portion of it. Over here, this is what is traded on your behalf, right? But remember that this amount grows each and every day. So the passive income grows each and every day. You get paid out every week, right? So I'm going to take you over to the, let me quickly see, just take you to the e-learning before I take you to the trading results. Over here you'll see this is the e-learning portion. Now, as mentioned before, the e-learning is just what it says. So it's a electronic learning platform. So this is where you can log online, you can log on. You can basically start with the basics or the intro into Forex market. You can then also then move on to the basic technical analysis, and all of the courses that you have would be listed here. You would also see the progress of your results, but this is entirely optional, so this isn't something that you have to do. It's just something that is always going to be there for you. It's like it's an education product for you, basically, that you can use, or it's at your disposal. If it is something that you might not want to benefit from, if you have a partner or whatever else, they can also then maybe learn the skill while you are getting passive income on the side. So that is just that option over there. Let me take you back to where you can actually see what is being traded. What I want to do is I quickly want to show you what the daily trading results will look like, as well as how it will look like when you get paid out on a weekly basis, right? So let me just quickly take you over there. So let's go over to finance. We go over to balances over there, right? So as you can see, that is the account balance. That is the amount the total started from, and then it grew each and every week. Each and every week it grew piece by piece. And bear in mind that this is completely passive, so you don't have to lift a finger. You don't even have to know how to trade. You don't even have to understand the forex market, and this could be generated for you on the back end. So as mentioned before, the results are not typical, so it will vary for each and every one. However, each and every one can take advantage of this particular platform. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you guys can basically sign up on it, right? I will also leave my information so that you can actually contact me directly, so I can help you get set up. There's a secondary application that I will be sending to you as well to also help you get started, and also it's also another way for you to um, like acquire or basically generate some more income on the side. It's a small app that goes along with it, but those are for the people that's going to be signing up under the link that will be in the description. Guys, thank you very much for your time. I do hope that you enjoyed the video. Until next time, do enjoy and keep well.